Hi, in this video we're going to look at the use of filters. Filters allow us to filter out things that we don't want to see. This enables us to look at data more closely, to look for patterns and trends. So the first thing I'm going to do is to show you firstly how to activate the filter. So what you need to do is to highlight across the heading row, and then you need to click on your data menu and come across to filter. And when you click the filter button, it puts the drop down arrows at the top of each of your column headings. So say for example, I've got a lot of data here. So say for example I wanted to look at all the responses for people that do not play on console. If I drop down the filter icon here, I can choose whether what to show or what to filter out of my data. So I want to show everybody that does not play on console. So I'm going to uncheck the Y, and then that will leave, when I click OK, only the people that do not play on console, the feedback from them or from their surveys. So I could do that type of filter. I can choose then to clear the filter once I've done analysing the data. If I decided I want to display all of the people that had chosen to play on console, so I'll do that. Okay, I can do a further filter then to see how many of those people that actually play on console are female. So I could drop down the gender filter and I could choose not to show male, and now what I'm showing is all of the people that play on console that are female. So it allows me to look at the data in that way. I could do a number filter. So let's just clear the filter from there and let's clear the filter from here. I could look at all of the people who play for 5 hours a day. So I can choose not to show any of those and then select the one I want to display. So I can show just the people who play 5 hours a day and analyse that data, look for patterns and trends there. And the final thing I want to show you is the use of a custom filter. So say for example on age I wanted to display all of the people that have completed the survey that are older than 17 or above. Okay, I can drop down the age filter, and I can come down to number filters, and I can create a custom filter. Okay, and now I can do a custom filter where I can choose the number is greater than or equal to 17. Okay, and then when I click OK, that then filters out everybody apart from the 17 and 18-year-olds. So that, and of course you can do that with a combination of different fields. So that is how you use and apply filters in your spreadsheet. So it filters out the things that you do not want to see.